My name is Christine Vandernald. I work for a company called EG Workforce Solutions. We're headquartered in Kalamazoo, Michigan. We are a staffing organization, primarily in the light and industrial sector. I'm Director of Solution Innovation. I'm in the IT department, and I implement a lot of different tools for the organization. So I've been involved with Vena since we implemented it about 2 years ago. It's so nice that Vena was built on Excel. It makes user adoption so much faster and easier. The way we budget has really changed, or the workflow of that budget has really changed, because Vena invites people in. It puts accountability and, the actual entry into the hands of the end user. Vena is one of those tools that can really help an organization scale up to the next level because it gives you the granularity of data that you need for decision making. And as your company is growing, a lot of times in your financial statements, it's not as obvious where that additional spend is eating away at your profit. So when you have granularity of data, now you have the visibility to make better decisions and see where you can cut out the fat that might be eating away at your profits. And so I think that Vena is one of those tools that actually could help EG Workforce Solutions scale. So yeah, I'm excited about the tool. It's a good tool.